Various social organizations of Karbi Anglong raised their concern over the desensitized outlook from the Member of Parliament of Three Autonomous District and Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council amidst the news of seemingly creating Kamatapur and Eastern Nagaland states pre-Independence Day 2023. The hearsay of creating separate Kamatapur and Eastern Nagaland states pre-Independence Day 2023 had ignited the sentiments of the people of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. This had triggered exasperation and displeasure among the general public, as the people of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong had been demanding the implementation of their constitutional rights since the last 37 years. People elected Horen Singbe, Member of Parliament of Three Autonomous District, and Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, to present these demands at the lower house of India and at the State Assembly respectively. Horen Singbe, Member of Parliament, could be seen attending KAAC meetings in rural areas rather than raising the voice of voiceless people of Karbi Anglong at the Parliament. On the other hand, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM during the Rail Roko movement at Deephu said he is ready to be martyred for Karbi Anglong statehood, but he is silent now.
CEM hani tumi puyang tungga alang ni rame dusi khai phan chinghon duk pudak Deephu Rail Roko hod alang ni ning done vene hem prek yone ni pran dame chipi dei pu salang ni pu tame non alang ni apolo ni tum hampang sombenge Hempre ke jone alang ni apran chipi nangi non ma arpu ben jethana ni tum hampang sombenge hang lasi alang ni jethana haida pate ni tum hampang so asong no name alang ni phan chirap dunji.
As this is the right time to raise their voice, if not now, when? If not them, who? MP, MLA, CEM, EM, MEC, and all the public representatives were elected for their assurance in raising their voice for statehood. Therefore, if all the public representatives are now petrified to raise the long-standing demand of the people of Karbi Anglong at their respective platforms, give their resignation at this instant demand various social organization.
Non pacuta Telangana ke pia dui last ke pihuta alang tu ke hemprek pulo hala suta insam duli angke non ako non ta hemprek ke pitupo hala ili tum ke chitoy dun MP phan bangke ningkan pho ke pleng po non lan ta lam thei ni bela hala ta lam thei si karju dun anta pa pleng pleng alang phan ke provision ave pu non provision do ave ke non ladak thek prong lo ke ra tum ta.
Social organizations appeal the concerned citizens to question against those public representatives with reference to creation of autonomous state whenever they organize a public meeting at their locality. KUYA, AJD, KYDA, KALU, KHDRC, UPKA, YAAC, SYDC, KYSO, LYDC and KAAC advise the general public to prohibit their entry if they fail their explanation. News X report for Karbi Anglong Live.